How to check deliverability reports in Instantly.ai. Step 1. From your Instantly dashboard, click on Reports tab. This is where you'll find all your deliverability insights. Step 2. Choose the email account or domain you want to analyze. Instantly runs continuous tests to measure inbox placement. Step 3. Here, you'll see if your emails are landing in box, promotions, or spam. You'll also get percentages to help you understand overall performance. Step 4. Instantly also shows trends over days or weeks, so you can spot issues early and adjust your campaigns if needed. Step 5. If you see poor result, try warming up your domain, improving your email content, and cleaning your lead list to boost inbox placement. So that's it.